Hey guys, this is Swapnil from Digit, and this is the Onyx Studio 5 Bluetooth speaker by Harman Kardon. And in this video, I'm going to talk to you about the 5 things that you should know about this portable Bluetooth speaker. Number 1. The Onyx Studio 5 has no stands unlike its predecessor, the Onyx Studio 4. Instead, there is a rubberized bottom that makes sure the speaker is stable on the surface that you place it on. Number 2. The speaker is designed to be portable. It weighs roughly 3 kilos. It sports an integrated aluminum carrying handle, making it very easy to carry. It is great for indoor spaces like living rooms, the bedroom, and even the kitchen. However, the Studio 5 is not waterproof or shockproof, so avoid contact with water bodies at all costs. Number 3. The speaker features one large 5-inch woofer, one tweeter, and 2 passive radiators. This ensures that the Studio 5 delivers much deeper bass than its predecessor. Number 4. The Studio 5 also houses a battery that delivers up to 8 hours of playtime. And finally, number 5. You can finally pair the Onyx Studio 5 with another studio for a better sound experience. In essence, you can now also get a stereo sound effect from the Onyx. So there you have it. Those are the 5 things that you should know about the Harmon Kardon Onyx Studio 5 Bluetooth speaker, and thank you for watching.